Today I've got a unique photo gift to share with you. This is a personalized photo memory card game. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So my sister recently just asked me if I could create something for her daughter for her birthday, and my niece's name is Annabeth, but yeah, she can have her hair kind of in like an afro, so everyone calls her Fro. So we made up Fro's memory card game, and I designed this little back to all of these memory cards. I thought it would be something kind of fun. Then we went through our family and actually picked out multiple photos of our family. For instance, here's one of me, my wife, and my boys, and there's two of these, see? So yeah, she can make a memory card game out of this. These are done by a company that I wanted to share with you. The company's name is Moo. Yeah, I know, it's kind of crazy. Moo Cards. If you've never heard of them, you really should check them out. These are actually the 5x5 inch square postcards, but they do these business cards that I've gotten in the past. They're really cool because you basically just design one side of it, and then on the opposite side you can have different photos or different designs. I actually used these for like some gift cards one time where I had unique gift card numbers on the backs of like 50 different cards. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can do with them. I think they're very cool. They're really good quality. The thickness of this, I can't remember exactly the thickness here on this paper, but it's got a good weight to it. It's high gloss, so it's really shiny, as you can see there. The color looks great. The quality is pretty good. It's probably not quite, photo quality, but it is really good for a card like this. And it's really amazing that you can get these and have the back all the same, but yet one side of them be different pictures. We've done two of each picture, but you could definitely do one of each. You can get them in several different quantities. So whether it's business cards or some kind of cool little game or something that you want to make up, they have tons of different sizes. So yeah, definitely check them out. There is an affiliate link down below. If you want to check them out, then yeah, go and check out Moo Cards. I think they're really cool. I've used them in the past and I've always been completely satisfied, and this is another project that turned out great. If you want to learn more about photography, drones, technology, and other related stuff, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.